Hello, my name is Robert Gresham and I'm a packaging engineer here at US Foods, and I help develop all of the grocery packaging items that we do through our private label business. When customers buy our US Foods exclusive branded items, they're purchasing more than they realize. Along with our sustainable food and non-food items, our customers are also getting the bags, cartons, and boxes that our items are packaged in. To strengthen the message of our Serve Good product line, we've developed sustainable Serve Good packaging standards. This means that an item can only be branded Serve Good if it meets both the requirements for sustainable item as well as our sustainable packaging. Our standards for packaging are targeted at reducing waste, utilizing sustainably sourced materials, and increasing overall efficiencies in order to reduce our overall impact to the environment. In practice, this means that our corrugate must be certified by a sustainable forestry organization such as SFI or FSC, which enforce a strict certification process for forestries and packaging producers. These organizations ensure that the fiber is sourced legally, prohibits deforestation, and protects water quality, among other tenets. Serve Good packaging will be fully vetted to optimize sizing and material usage, ensuring that the minimum amount of packaging is used to protect the product. Optimizing package size also optimizes the pallet, increasing the number of cases on each pallet, which makes each truckload more efficient. We remove materials that are not widely recyclable, like styrofoam, because they tend to end up in landfills and waterways. Paper packaging must utilize a minimum of 40% post-consumer recycled content, which increases the demand for recycled fiber and the value of such material. With these standards, we hope that you can feel confident that it's not just sustainably sourced products, but also sustainably sourced packaging.